So in this example, we are going to be determining kilowatt hours. And kilowatt hours is abbreviated as kWh for kilowatt hours. And it's pretty straightforward, pretty simple to determine it and to remember it. And that is, we take the wattage that's used and then we multiply that to the number of hours that it's on for or used for. Just like here, we have wattage and then hours, so it's wattage and hours, and then a kilo is 1,000. So then we divide this by 1,000. So for our kilowatt hours, here's our kilo, our wattage times our hours. So then for this example, it says, for security, every evening Lizbeth leaves her 2 outdoor lights on all night, and that's for 10 hours. The bulbs she uses are 60-watt bulbs. If it costs her 12 cents per kilowatt hour for electricity, then we have these two questions here, A and B. So let's just point out a couple of things here. She leaves them on for 10 hours. So there's our hours right here. These are 60-watt bulbs. So that's our wattage. That's our W. But a couple other things to point out. She has 2 of them. She's using 2 outdoor bulbs. So in order to be able to determine A, we would say the kilowatt hours would be equal to the 60-watt bulbs. That's the wattage. She leaves them on for 10 hours. And then we divide that by a kilo, which is 1,000. So this comes out to be 0.60. But since she has 2 of them, we're just going to multiply this by 2 times 2. So that's 1.2 kilowatt hours that she uses per night for her bulbs to leave her porch lights on all night. Now it says here, B, how much does it cost for Lizbeth to leave her lights on all night? So for B, since it's 1.2 the kilowatt hours, we just take the 1.2 and we multiply it by 12 cents per hour. So we multiply this by 0.12. And that comes out to be 0.144. And of course, this is dollars. So it's about 14.4 cents a night to leave her lights on all night. Now, if this was for a month, because usually you get a bill at the end of the month, if you wanted to know for a month, if this was a 30-day month, we would just multiply that by 30 days. Or if it was a 31-day month, we would multiply it by 31. And that would come out to be $4.32 a month to leave her 2 60-watt bulbs on for 10 hours a night.